Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It has been the nature of man to love those jobs that have authority. In other words, over-oriented, authority-oriented job has been the favorite weakness of man. So all such jobs, such a power-oriented job, authority-oriented jobs are offered in Pakistan under the umbrella of CSS, organized by Federal Public Service Commission of Pakistan. Today, in this video, we will discuss a very important crux problem that causes the failure of 98% students in CSS. That is no other than an English essay. Why it is so? How we can solve it? Today in this a very smart video, first you will know the causes of dismal failure in essay writing. So essay writing, in other words, the real crux of problem that is faced by the CSS candidates, particularly those who are very fresh and it is their first attempt. We can say that they generally fail in English essay with full confidence because they are not aware of certain requirements, certain technical sides of English essay that they must learn, that they must know before going for CSS. So generally, the people who go for CSS, they are very intelligent, they are very confident, and they are sometimes overconfident about their personalities, about their skills, because they belong to different academic backgrounds. So without any delay or long discussion, we straight go to a slide where we will come to know that what is the major cause, first major cause of our CSS failure. Inshallah, after watching this video, you will come to know that why it is so. It is because that candidates of CSS have a variety of academic backgrounds. Doctors, engineers, lawyers, BS English, BS History, Political Science, they generally opt for CSS and they're very passionate for CSS. They decide for CSS, they buy the books for CSS, they start preparation of CSS, they go through CSS, they even appear in CSS, and after the result they come to know that their strategy for CSS was not very competent, very efficient. And the major heading of their failure is generally essay, English essay. Generally, it is observed that all intelligent people are confident and confident about their skills. But some examinations require not just the confidence, but a strategy at a technical side and a total mechanism to handle an examination. So CSS definitely requires a hard work, But with hard work, it also requires a very smart approach for the preparation of essay. Generally, in the very first attempt, when they're fresh candidates of CSS, they take English essay very easy, a very traditional essay. They even don't study the types of essay. What is descriptive essay? How to start argumentative essay? How to start a narrative essay? They have only one strategy for every essay. I think as a teacher, the introduction of an argumentative essay is different than that of a narrative essay. So, without any strategy, they jump into the CSS exam and they sometimes have to face failure. So, next, next we move towards the next slide. Here you can read the slide very carefully. This, this again, the students, the candidates of CSS don't bother to have coaching, to have consultancy with the English experts. They just jump into the exams and they think afterwards. When a topic comes in a paper, they start writing, but they feel personally very easy, very right. They start writing, maximum they write. Some candidates have very good English, but without strategy. They have to face an unexpected failure in English essay, and afterward they blame the institutions, their luck, and many myths they create. Because they have good English, it is very ironical. They have good English and they fail in essay. They will never revise and review that the strategy tackle English essay was not very efficient and competent. So what is needed is the review of strategy to write an essay. So most of the time their work is directionless, shapeless, even that is very fluent in English. Like in this way, they lose their desired target scores and they fail generally in written exams of English essay, because English is compulsory to pass CSS written exams. Next. Here we'll read the examiner's report on the performance of CSS candidates 2019. The examiner writes, majority of the candidates do not have the clear sense of essentials of comprehensive essay or features which differentiate an essay from other forms of writing. They start writing and they write. They lose harmony, compactness, concord in the introduction, in the paragraph, in the body, in the conclusion, because they don't know. They take it as like FSC essay, like other essays. So, the examiner writer candidate must know the qualities of a standard essay expected by the commission in competitive exams. So, that is the area. So, it is the examiner's report on performance of CSS candidates in 2019. Next. So another major cause is the mistakes of grammar and spellings are major causes of failure in English essay. Because the candidates have different academic backgrounds, some are doctors, others are engineers, and some are professors. They are confident that their English is good, and because they don't practice, they don't get their writing checked. Sometimes their luck works and they go through, but not all of the times. even they lack of the knowledge of subject verb agreement, minimum practice of checked writing. They write, but they never get them checked by the English experts. And their failure become, the chances of their failure and their success become more vulnerable. How to solve this problem? The solution: learn the art of self-writing. I told in the last video in Urdu even, first of all, before going for CSS, a candidate should sit alone. He should go to a teacher. He asked him to award him some topic to write some topic, get it checked, and ask him your level of writing, your level of grammar, sentence structure. If he recommends you for CSS, only then you should go for CSS. It will save you a lot of time, hard work, and your failures and your disappointments. So after self-writing, see, why reading leads to self-writing. See that a cup is empty. When a cup is empty, it will write nothing. When your brain is empty, it will write nothing. When your reading is very strong, reading with understanding is very strong, then you should go, well, you will go for writing. It will help you, inshallah. And you will never feel any problem in writing good English. So reading always supports writing, and listening always supports speaking. Both sides are shadow of each other. To learn the art of essay writing, after self-writing level, you should go for learning the art of essay writing. What is an essay? What are the types of essays? How are the different strategies to tackle the different types of essays? Then the required grammar skills. Because some science students particularly think that they have conveyed their idea. No, here you will not convey. You will convey in correct English. So get your writing checked by English experts as writing. So this short video, we learned that why the students fail, because they are confident about their English skills. Secondly, we learned that they don't know the techniques of English writing, techniques of handling an essay. Consequently, they fail. Thirdly, we discussed that the 98% of candidates even don't know what is the difference between common writing and English essay. Next, we discussed that generally the candidates of CSS don't bother about the grammatical structures and spellings, because sometimes they have good schooling and they think they take it for granted, like and they go ahead and face the failures. Lastly, we discussed the solution. So if these solutions are adopted, this solution is adopted, I think you will never face any failure. Thank you very much for joining me today. Inshallah, in the next video, we will discuss that how the English essay can be handled successfully to get the maximum marks. What are the essentials of essay? What are the types of essay? And how to handle the different types of essays? We will discuss in the next video, inshallah. Try to stay with me in the next video too. Thank you very much. Thank you.